And this is Kimmy Kim, and welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of the 5 days of Valentine's Day with the digital kits from Dear Julie and Cara Brandon Creations. And let's see, let's get started. Day 3, my challenge was to just use these 2 sheets of the Digi kit. This one is from Julie's kit. And this one here is from Cara's. I'm off camera again. Oh my gosh, it's so terrible. I'm trying to get used to this, y'all. You know, it has been 2 years that it's been since I've recorded. So bear with me there, please. So again, day 3. Now day 3, I was able to make, see, I've got them in a little baggie to stay safe and organized here. I was able to make this big tag. So I used, let's see, I'll show you what I used here. I used Julie's, right here, this ephemera here. And I just cut it down just a little bit. And then used some more of her ephemera here. And this is her ephemera. The background of this here that I used behind Julie's is Cara's tag here, this bottom one here. So that was fun. And then I put a little label here, and again a little lace tag there. That was fun. Oh, and I added some lace on the bottom. And I just backed it with tea-dyed paper and zigzagged and sewed and all that jazz. And then I made this little envelope. And I added, this part was from Julie's kit. The envelope is actually from Cara's kit. And I just sewed around it. Put some little cheesecloth, some tea-dyed cheesecloth there, and used her little card and backed it so you could use it as a journal card. So that was my challenge for day, what are we on, day 3? And so I made these 2. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we have a couple days left, so I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Take care and be safe.